Hi students, let's continue with the sums which we started. So here the next same category of question which I started with the quadratic equation. So here we are having few examples. This type of questions are very important which are frequently asked in your board exams. So here river flows at a speed of 1 kilometer per hour. A boat takes 15 hours to travel 112 kilometer downstream and coming back. See what is the difference here? It is traveling 112 kilometer downstream and coming back. So how to solve this type of question? So here speed of boat is given. We need river flow is given. We need to consider let the speed of the boat is x kilometer per hour. So here let speed of boat x kilometer per hour, as the speed of boat was not given. Here two conditions are there. One is downstream and other is upstream. When upstream river is flowing, the speed of the boat get decreased. So here we consider speed of boat minus speed of water, that is river flow. During upstream, as the boat is flowing against the flow of water, so here the speed gets subtracted. And one more thing we need to keep in mind, like always the speed of boat will be greater than speed of river. So thus always we need to subtract from speed of boat, speed of river. For downstream, as both of them are flowing in the same direction, so speed get added. So this is the logic which you need to remember. In downstream, speed of river and boat get added. For upstream, we need to subtract speed of river from speed of boat. So how to solve this type of question? When it is given downstream and upstream, together it comes. We need to take plus sign between the solution. So here time 1, it is traveling 112 kilometer with x plus 1 speed. Time 2, again 112 kilometer with x minus 1 speed. Now as it is given, it comes and goes back. So thus we need to find out total time. And for both the travel it is taking 15 kilometer. So according to question, T1 plus T2 is 112. This 112 upon x plus 1 plus 112 x minus 1. As here we are adding both the time, it doesn't matter whether we have taken x minus 1 first or x plus 1. You can write anything, like addition is there, so there will not be any sign difference. So total time duration is given 15 hours. So here time we will consider as 15. As I told you earlier, 112 will be taken common, x plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1, as we have taken 112 common. Now if cancellation can be done, then cancel out both the numbers. If not possible, leave like this. So let's take the LCM, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now will this multiply this x minus 1 this side, cross multiplication. So x minus 1 plus x plus 1, 15, and then here 112. Both plus minus 1 got cancelled. So here we left out with 2x, 112, multiply this, a plus b, a minus b form is there. So it's x square minus 1 is equal to 15. Now we'll have cross multiplication. This it is 15x square minus 15 is equal to 224x. Now shifting 224 towards left, 15x square minus 224x minus 15 is equal to 0. So when we multiply 15 and 15, we are getting 225. Multiples of 225, 225 into 1. If we subtract both the numbers, we are getting the middle number. So as I told, by subtraction, if we are getting middle number, we need to give sign of question to bigger number and smaller number opposite sign. Thus it is 15x square minus 225x plus 1x minus 15 is equal to 0. For quadratic equation, putting 0 is very important. Don't leave this. 15 can be taken common. Thus it is x minus 15. Here nothing common is there. So plus 1 taken common. Repeating the same bracket. Thus x minus 15 and 15x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, value of x will be opposite sign of this 15. So it's plus 15 and here it will be minus 1 upon 15. Speed cannot be negative. So the speed of the boat is 15 km per hour. So this is our final answer. Now let's start with next question. Here it is given difference between the speed of faster car and slower car is 20 km per hour. So we'll consider let speed of faster car x kilometer per hour. So as we consider faster one speed, so slower car speed will be x minus 20. So it's given slow car is 20 km per hour less than the faster one. So we consider it x minus 20 km per hour. Now the distance we need to find out. So a distance is given 400 and there is a time difference of 1 hour. It takes 1 hour more. So our condition is T1 is distance upon speed 1. T2 is distance upon speed 2. As I told you earlier, always less distance to be taken first. So thus T2 minus T1 is time difference which is 1 according to question. So let's write out all the conditions. 400 upon x minus 20. This is the simple logic you need to remember. If we are subtracting, we will take that first. If we are adding, that to be taken afterwards. Minus 400 upon x is equal to 1. Again 400 taken common. So x upon 1 upon x minus 20 minus 1 upon x. Now we are having cross multiplication. So it's x minus minus plus 20 whole multiplied x square minus 20x is equal to 1. Now x will get cancelled. Cross multiplication, x square minus 20x is equal to 400 multiplied by 20. It's 8000. Now we need to find factors of 8000. X square minus 20x, shifting 8000 towards left. So it's minus 8000 is equal to 0. Let's find out factors of 8000. So here 180s are 8000. 100 minus 80 is 20. So our factors are minus 100x, big number is given sign of question, and smaller number opposite sign. 80 and 100 if we subtract we get 20. 100 multiplied by 80 is 8000. So these are our factors. Now x can be taken common. So it's x minus 100 plus 80. Again x minus 100. Repeating the same brackets. So x minus 100 is one of the answer. And second factor is x plus 80. Therefore x is taking opposite sign. So it's plus 100. X is minus 80. As speed cannot be negative, so the required speed is 100 km. So we considered x to be faster car. So faster car speed 100 km per hour. So slower will be 20 less than that. So it is x minus 20. 100 minus 20. So 100 minus 20 is 80. We got the speed of both the cars. So this is your final answer. Now let's start with one more question. The same type of question is there, but the wordings are different. How we will recognize that these all are of the same variety? Here the question is given, if the price of petrol is increased by 5 rupees per litre, one get 2 litre less. So whenever there is less or more given, this is like time. And 5 rupees per kg, it is increased, like the speed got increased. And less petrol spending rupees 1320. So this is like distance. What is the increased price? X we need to find. Let the price of the petrol is increased by 5. Let original price be X rupees per litre. So here new increased price X plus 5 rupees per litre. Now condition, that is how much he is purchasing, that is price 1. Price 1 is 1320 upon x. Price 2 is 1320 upon x plus 5. So here this is more. So P1 will be greater than P2. So when we are adding, this to be taken afterwards. Now price 1 is greater than price 2. That is, we are purchasing something with the less price. So we get more cost. When we increased it by 5, cost will be less. So P1 is greater than P2. According to question, P1 minus P2, it's 2 liter less. 2. So let's start with the solution as we were doing earlier. 1320 upon x minus 1320 upon x plus 5 is equal to 2. Now 1320 can be taken common. So it's 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 2. Now getting LCM, x plus 5 minus x upon x square plus 5x. We can cancel out this. So it's 660. Cancelling x. So here when we cancel, don't make it 0. It will be 1. Now x square plus 5x is equal to, multiplied, 6 5s are 30. So it's 330. Now shifting the number, x square plus 5x minus 330. 0 is 0. Now find the factors of 3300. So it's 3300. 11 3s are 33. 0 0. Then again 3 1s are 3. 100. Now 5 2s are 10. 0. 5 4s are 20. 2 2s are. So suppose we'll take the factor as 11 5s are 55. Let's check out what other number we are getting. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 and then 15. 15 4s are 16. So we got our factor. 16 minus 50 is 55 is 5. So x square plus 60x minus 55x minus 3300 is equal to 0. So taking x common, x plus 60 minus 55. So it's again x plus 60 is equal to 0. So x plus 60 and x minus 55 is equal to 0. Thus x is minus 60, x is equal to 55. Therefore, original price was 55 rupees per liter, whereas the new price, increased one, is 55 plus 5. So as it got increased by 5, 60 rupees per liter. So this is final answer. So this type of questions we are going to get for your exams. So here you need to remember, like whenever more or less is given, we need to find out with the process like distance 1, distance 2, time 1, time 2, and then subtracting which one is greater. If they will give that together, it completes, then for that condition we are going to take positive sign in between, like in the previous question which I explained. So this is simple logic. If you go through with the solutions twice or thrice, you will be able to solve the solution by your own. So practice this type of questions. These are very important for your board exams. So hope everyone understood it. For more videos, please like and subscribe.